Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? This is Dalton. Got my coffee and I'm ready to go. Today, I want to talk to you about something that's dear to my heart. I love it. I want to talk to you about free Office Suite. And what that is it's a free downloadable Office Suite. And you can download it to your, it's compatible with Linux, Windows, Mac. Okay. And you could download it to your system and use it. And it's free. And what it is it's a compatible word processor. Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. Well, this is a version of that. This is similar to that. That's compatible with Microsoft's version of those particular clients. So, give you an example. You can use this Word for LibreOffice. You can use LibreOffice Word. Type up your article, and it is compatible with Microsoft Word, so you won't have that clash. Okay, and I have three of them, three free Office suites and links that I will put down below that I think that you will love. Okay, I love them, all three of them. They all have their place, but my two favorites is one of them is called WPS, right? It's WPS Office Suite, and the other is LibreOffice. Okay, and comes in third. The one that comes in third for me that I like is it is the OpenOffice. Okay, and I will put the links below. Okay, and let me tell you a little bit about them. Okay, when I was younger and I was in college, I started out. I was really naive. I started out doing tech support. I saw it. I was inspired by the Matrix, the original, the first one, and I said to myself, "Oh, I want to get in technology. I want to do something to help people. I want to get in technology. I want to work with Microsoft. Yeah, I'm gonna be working with Bill Gates. I want to work with Microsoft. Do something major to help people and work in technology." And I was like, the first step is move to Seattle, because Seattle was the hip and hub for technology at that time. So in 1999, when everybody thought the world was in, I moved to Seattle. And I had a reality check. Woo, boy, did I learn about the politics of technology and trying to go up in technology. And I could tell you, man, I even had some horror stories, man. I was going to school for technology, and I would always have, it wasn't always, not all Asians are horrible or anything like that, but there was always a certain amount of Asians, mainly the guys, would come up to me, and they were passive aggressive. They would do certain things such as make fun of my work. And when I say passive aggressive, you have to understand how it works. Here in America, we usually try to deal with stuff straight on. You don't like me, I don't like you. In the East, they do it a little bit differently. Okay. Um, they try to attack you within, and then they feel like the rest is going to fall. So they do it a passive aggressive way. And with this guy, for instance, he would always come up to me. He would, "Oh, is that the fastest you could type?" And I even had one guy from Japan, and the guy that said asked me if he would always come up and say stuff like that to me when no one was watching. Okay, that's what I mean by passive aggressive. He would do that, and then like if you then had enough and you blow up, then you're gonna be loud, and everybody's gonna look at you like you're the bad person because they're gonna see you being loud, but they don't see all the little stuff and nitpicking that person did to you. And that happened to me a lot. You know, I didn't blow up, but I did get attacked a lot, and not only by Chinese, but a lot in Japanese. I had one guy I went to school with. He was Japanese, and he was going in to interpret for death, and he literally told me, he said he just felt that all Afro Americans should stick with sports and dancing, and leave anything dealing with technology to white, Asian, or East Indians. He said he told me we had it made by being good entertainers, good dancers, and sports, and we should just stick with that. Yeah. So, you know, but back on subject. Back in the day, I really couldn't afford Microsoft Windows. We didn't have discounts and stuff like that you try throughout now because Microsoft was the main, they were the monopoly, and they really didn't give no discounts or nothing like that. You were lucky if you had a friend that worked at Microsoft or knew somebody and maybe you can get it that way, a discount through employee discount, but otherwise you're paying full price and you paid a lot. So when I was going to college, I couldn't afford that. Okay, because the version I had was too old, so it wasn't compatible. And then I was educated by some people I knew that was in technology, and they were into Linux, which is the operating system. And then they hit me up to OpenOffice.org, which was highly compatible with Microsoft Office. And then I was introduced later on in my life as I went to, because I went to tech school for about 2 years and gave that up. And I got interested in criminal justice, and that's why I got my Bachelor of Science in Criminal Justice. But while going to college, I used LibreOffice for my office suite. Okay, and OpenOffice, but LibreOffice later on because it was just a lot easier and a lot better. It seemed like a lot more compatible. Okay, so, and I like to give that knowledge to you. So, and these are all free. You don't have to pay for them. You could download them from the internet. Download them if you have a computer at home or don't have internet. Download the USB on the USB stick. Put it on USB stick. Go to your library, download it to the USB stick, and then take it home and then plug it into your computer and install it. Okay? And I have written many resumes on this and I've gotten many jobs from the resumes I've written with these office suites. So I will put them in the description box, the links to them in the description box below. And I hope you all enjoy them because they have definitely helped me out throughout my life, college, through my tech school. Tech school, even through when I went to just to get certificates, just because I wanted to learn about something. Okay, wasn't trying to get no degree or anything, just certificate, but you still have, sometimes you have to type up your papers and stuff, so it was very, very helpful, and I think it would help you all as well. Okay, and therefore I will put those links. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time. Sorry it took me so long to get around to it. I will put the links to that in the description box below, and I hope you all subscribe, also comment If you have other links to help people that's free, go ahead and put it in the comments in the comments, and give good links down there. Also, give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Either way, you're cool with me. And I'll rap to y'all later. Peace.